tagine in a long time, so tonight's dinner is lamb tagine. I have the lamb here and then the potatoes and carrots. Now I need to get the seasoning. I need like cinnamon, ginger, and oregano. Should we use oregano? Cumin. 1 second. Ginger, cinnamon, and cumin. So those are the spices that I will use. And I just need to put the potatoes and carrots here, and then the lamb. These are like 3 pounds of lamb cut into like this size, so it's easier to cook. And then more potatoes. I hope this fits. And then let's add our like seasoning. Ginger is to reduce the gamey taste of the lamb. That like lamb taste. And then cinnamon. And then diced tomatoes. I'll add diced tomatoes. And let's add the rest of the lamb. And then more of this, and then let's also add olives. Mostly peppercorns, and then let's add olives to provide like saltiness. Salt. Just close. The lamb tagine is ready to go to the oven. And then cook for an hour. I'm also making green tea, and then the tagine is still cooking in the oven. It's almost done. Our tagine is ready. Hi Josh. There you go. Our tagine. Ta-da!
Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree! Look at our Christmas tree. Right there.
Here's our lamb tagine dinner. Let's eat. You won't believe the many features of this awesome keychain LED light. So it came with a USB, so this is rechargeable. Also it came with 2 lights, and then this has a magnet here, so you can stick to anywhere there is like metal, and you can like position it like anywhere you want. Like it has like 360 degrees like position, so this is perfect for like when you are camping or like when you are working in the garage, for example, or anywhere where it's like dark or you need extra light. For me, when I'm harvesting vegetables in the evening or at night and I need extra light, this is so perfect too. I can just like put it here in my like pants, and then I have that like light So it has like 6 modes. So the first one is that's a bright light, and then this is like a bright low light, and this is the white light, and then the white low light, and then there is a red light, and then the red blinking light. The red blinking light is perfect when you are like jogging or when you are on your bike and you need that like light to like alert other motorists. That like especially when it's dark and then you have this like behind you, so this is like really like great. The lights here is more of the battery indicator. 4 lights means it's like fully charged. Look at how small. You can just put it in your purse or in your bag and you always have like a light ready. And this has a cutter, so if you need to cut on anything, this has a cutter here. And also this cutter, in case of an emergency, supposedly can cut a seatbelt. There is also a whistle function on this one. I just haven't figured out how to use it. So this is also equipped with like screwdrivers. The typical screwdriver here, and then the flat one. It has like many functions and super duper affordable too. This is a perfect gift too for any occasion because this is like so functional. This has like many uses. So let's try it outside. This is gifted to me by Latour. I'll show you how bright it is. I'm here in our backyard garden where it is dark. So this is like, see how bright it is? So if I need to harvest here, for example, then I just need to turn this on and then I can harvest the vegetables. See, it's dark over there, and if I put light and if I like turn this on, you see how bright. This is an awesome keychain light or flashlight with many features. Going home now. Later there is another show. Bye. Hi Josh. How was your Christmas program? We're here to attend Josh like a Christmas program.
Merry Christmas.
This one.
Awesome.
Yeah, sure.
You want a video or
yeah,
picture?
a video.
Okay. What do you want $3? Hi. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Hi, beautiful. You want to look around? Look at the other Christmas tree. We are going to Sadaf for dinner. Modern Persian cuisine place. Sadaf.
Our favorite party Persian restaurant.
This is one of my favorite like Persian restaurants. And then we are getting Josh is having lemonade, husband is having which one are you having then? This is the eggplant delight. We love this.
I'm having Cabernet Sauvignon
Josh is
while
having-
waiting for our food.
Yes. Super love the eggplant. We have the shrimp.
Thank you.
Looks
That
yummy.
looks good.
This is the
Yum,
shrimp
yum.
appetizer. What is in the middle? Mushroom, no?
Mm.
We have the kebab. Thank you.
Thank you.
soon.
Perfect. Thank you.
Just small plates, okay?
Yeah.
Here's our dinner. We had an awesome dinner at Sadaf. This is 11. That is 11. Is 11 penguin? Oh, 11 is a penguin. Just look at 11. 11 is a penguin. Hello. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Oh my god! We have these two ready from the previous year, and this is the third one. So we have 3 Don Julios.